Yeah, I'm out here building my fence gates. So right now I'm just putting some pocket holes
Good
in.
morning. Here I am again. I'm out here. I'm getting ready to go feed the animals and pull up a few weeds, but I'm going to build these gates. So this video today is going to be about me building these gates, and I don't know how much I'll film exactly because I really want to focus on the hardware. So let me go ahead, change my shirt because it's another hot, sultry day. It's overcast right now, but it's supposed to be really, really hot and humid. So I think there's a heat advisory as well. Anyway, so I'm going to get these built. I'm going to get them painted and hopefully get the hardware on. Can't wait to get finished with this. After I do this, then I'm going to go ahead and, all my sheep are calling me. I'm going to go ahead and put woven wire around the back side of this fence that I've built.
We had a dream many years ago to live life away from it all, to have some sheep, maybe a cow or two, with cats and dogs and goats and an occasional moon.
You can see I just have it laid out here. And this is going to be the 8-foot gate. I'm not quite sure how this is going to work yet. I may be making some adjustments because I'm just kind of going on the fly here like Linda does. So we'll see what happens. So I don't like sitting on wet ground. It looks like it's going to rain anytime. It's hotter than I don't know what. I'm glad the sun's not out because it would be a whole lot worse. This is going to be a sliding gate. I've already ordered the hardware for it. And how it'll work is it'll slide just across like that. So I have to put boards on to raise it up to look like this. And so this first board, so it's level with the first board. I'm going to do that is these boards here, I'm going to put one of those on each end and down the middle. It's not going to add any more support because the support will be in the wheels. The wheels will just slide on, and then there'll be another wheel thing that'll sit on the other side of the gate that comes out and holds the fence in place. Okay, so now you can see what I was talking about. I've got all the boards in place. I need to paint it before I put the woven wire on it. And then the wheels will lift it up to the right level that I need. So, yeah. Like I said, it'll just slide back and forth. So, pretty easy gate to build. Difficult in this humidity, but it's an easy gate to build. So, anyone can build it. Just my opinion. Well, as you can see, I'm taking time out because there's a storm. And it's a heck of a storm out there. Of course, all my dogs are inside because Aslan hates the storm. But as soon as this stops, I'm back out to make gate number 2. Okay, here I am, back at work. This is a 12-foot gate. It's much longer than, well, the 8-foot gate. So I'm going to go ahead and get these pocket holes screwed in, and then I'll get back with you. So I have that board in. Now I just got to go get another one and cut it and put the pocket holes in, and then put that in as well.
I have one side of the fence gate finished on both gates. So now I just got to let that dry, and then I'll come out and finish the other.
Well, I got the hardware, and this is what my idea is. Now, this is going to be changed up some, but the way the hardware comes, it doesn't fit the way I hoped it would. So I'm putting a block here on each side of the fence board and running it on the other side as well. And then up here, I have this roller that keeps the gate in place. And so the gate, when this is adjusted, I can adjust it, the gate will just slide back and forth. Now the issue I'm running into is this sidewalk is slanted. And so this side is much higher when it's closed. I have 2 options that I can remedy that with. One is to cut this side down a couple of inches so that it's even with the fence. But the issue that I have with that is that there's still going to be this uneven triangular looking space in between. And I don't like that. And if I look rough today, it's because it's rough out here. We have a heat index of like 100 today, and right now it's about 7 something in the morning, and very humid, very sticky. It's overcast, which I'm grateful for, but it doesn't take long before you just start water pouring off of you. So here we go again. As I'm getting this hardware on, it starts doing this on me. So yeah, it's cooling things off a little bit, which feels kind of good. So I finally got this gate up. I'm just going to show you what I've done. I've got a latch here that opens. I've got the blocks, and it's on the wood. It's all painted. Over here I have this rollers that keep it in place so the gate doesn't wiggle back and forth. And then I've got that on there too. So let me go around to the other side and I'll show you what it looks like from the other side. Let me just show you how it rolls back and forth here. goes through that. And you can adjust that as big as you want. Right now I just have it adjusted so it'll open the size of a regular gate. But if I need it to, I can open it all the way. So let me close this up. And I have like 4 of these latches, which are really nice. I've been weeding my flower beds. Okay, so you can see I got the height almost right. I ended up putting a 4x4 there. So I did a combination of things. I cut off the bottom of that side of the fence, and then I put a 4x4 post there. And to get that last little V out of there, which there's still a little V, it's driving me nuts. But you can see the fence is pretty level. Or the gate's pretty level to the fence now. So what I'll do is I'll get either some gravel or something and put down here to raise this up just a little bit more. It only needs up like a half an inch or so. But it's muddy right now and it's just digging down. So yeah, that's the gate. It's been a busy, busy day. I went around and I painted every single handrail on all my porches and decks. The wheelchair ramp, all on the back and the side porch as well. I finished the fence and I pressure washed in here. And Brad is pressure washing my sidewalk for me. And I'm so grateful because I'm booked. But there's my gate and it's finished and I love it. You can see I have the woven wire over there ready to put on.